chefs, how are you today? That's great! So for today, I'm going to show you how I make my favorite food, tacos. So we're going to start, I'm going to start by showing you where I buy everything and what I buy, and then we're going to come back here and I'm going to show you how I cook the food. Let's get started. Alright, so we're here at Walmart in Augusta, and what I like to get here is the hamburger tacos. So what I like to get is the all-natural ground beef round. So we've got 2.25 pounds and it's 85%. I get the 2.25 pounds, and when I'm by myself I usually split it up into two. But if I'm with 2 or 3 people, this is good, and this is what I'm going to be cooking today. Alright, so we're here at Hannaford in Augusta, and I like to get everything else here for the tacos. First thing I like to get is lettuce. I like to get the shreds iceberg lettuce. So it's iceberg shreds, it's already chopped up. It's usually more than what I need for lettuce, but we can use it for other things like salad and such. Alright, for tomatoes, you can get kind of any kind you want. These are called Roma tomatoes. I'd say about 1 per person that you have. So I'm just going to grab a couple of these. So now we're in the Mexican aisle, and what I like to get here is the taco seasoning and the taco shells. So for the seasoning, I like to get Taco Bell original taco seasoning. They're 99 cents each, and I got a little over 2 pounds, so for about every pound you want 1 of these. So that means I'll get 2 of these. And then for the shells, just right over here, we have the Hannaford brand 6-inch round flour taco size tortillas. There's about 10 of these. I eat about 4 tacos on my own, but if you're with a few people, this is probably about the right size for you.
Filming.
Alright, so we've gotten everything I usually get, but when I'm with other people and people ask me to make tacos for them, they usually want cheese. The cheese I usually get is the Mexican blend. So I get the Hannaford brand fancy shredded 4-cheese Mexican blend. Alright, now I'm going to show you everything I bought and all the things I work with to get the tacos ready. So here I have the ground beef that I bought. Mostly going to be using the spatula. It's my favorite because it's awesome. A little frying pan, skillet, whatever they call those. Have my oven. Over here we have the veggies, lettuce, tomatoes, nice little cutting board here, and sharp knife. So over here we have the Mexican blend cheese that I bought. One thing I didn't show you that I bought was Frank's Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce. I didn't buy it because I don't have much left. I'm just going to use the rest up. But you can put hot sauce on your tacos. I like to put it on a few. It tastes good. Here are the taco shells. Here's the taco seasoning I bought. And it also calls for water. When you mix the seasoning and the water, that I'll show you in a bit, you need about 2/3 for each pound, 2/3 of a cup for each pound. And so for you math nerds out there, or anyone can deal with fractions, that's 4/3 or 1 1/3. So 1 cup and 1/3 cup. Alright, and let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start by turning this burner here on to medium-high. And then I'm going to take out the hamburger. And I like to put it on as I go, so get it out in chunks. see, it's all in there, and then I will start cutting it up and just cook it through. Alright, so it's really just a bunch of chopping through this, cutting it up, flipping it over as we go. And it's just doing this for till it's all brown, no pink left. So you just keep doing this over and over again. Lots of cutting, lots of flipping. Alright, so now as you can see, it's all brown, no pink. So now we're ready for the next step. What I'm going to do is take this. I've put the burner down to low now, and I'm going to take this and put it in this strainer here. And the strainer is in this bowl. And so I'm going to strain the fat and grease into this bowl and then throw it away later. Alright, now we're going to take the seasoning, and like I said, 2 pounds of Hamburg, so 2 packets of seasoning. So you see the seasoning on it, and now we're going to put the water on it so the seasoning will mix with the tacos. Or the seasoning will mix with the Hamburg. And now you see it's in there, and we're going to mix it all in so it's all mixed together. Alright, and now this is all set. As you can see, it's all mixed in. It's very delicious. I'm going to leave this for a couple minutes to cook a little bit longer. I'm going to leave the burner on warm. And while I do that, I'm going to cut up the tomatoes. Alright, so we have our tomatoes cut up. Our lettuce is already cut up thanks to the wonders of pre-packaging. Lettuce is out, everything else is all set. All I need is a plate and I will make up a taco. So the way I like to make my tacos is meat on first. When it comes to tacos, I think the more the better. I like pretty big tacos. Lettuce, tomato, and now I'm all set. This is the way I eat my tacos, also with lots of paper towels because these usually get pretty messy, which is great. Much more flavor that way. The rest of the stuff, the cheese, is for other people. Other people like cheese. You can get anything else with it, sour cream, peppers, whatever you like. And the hot sauce I usually do for tacos 2 and 3 because I don't want it to be my first or my last because that's just the way I am. I'm weird. Alright, so that's it for this meal. I'm going to eat this and enjoy it And I hope you've enjoyed this video. And have a good night. See me out there? I don't want to be in anyone's way. Alright, so now we're here. Alright, so now we're here in Hannaford. Alright, so now we're here at Hannaford in Augusta. Alright, so we're here at Hannaford in Augusta. And I like to get everything else here from the cosmos.
Filming. That's the problem.
The cheese eyes you usually get. The cheese eyes you usually get.
Filming.
Oh, I wasn't ready yet.
Filming.
Let's see here. Alright, stop for a sec. I didn't have that.
Filming.
Alright, what am I going to say for that? I'll just let it film. It's fine. I like that one. Hi, chefs! How are you today? That's great! And I have a strainer and a bowl, and I have a strainer and a bowl, and while I do that, I'm going to,